Rain has started now and the leaves are so wet. That's what I love about nature. I love touching these wet leaves. And I can see those pink petals here and there. Pink petals have fallen here and there because of this rain and wind. And that's the beauty. Pink flowers here and there with green leaves. That's the magic and beauty of nature. So there are many things that we need to be thankful for, and nature is definitely one of them. Wow, see one more. Pink petals, green leaves. Lovely, isn't it?